Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Repair the printer spooler. So first click to start, type CMD, right click to run as administrator, type net stop spooler. Okay, so this is complete. Then type this command. Okay, I will give you in description, you can copy paste, otherwise if not you can type manually. Then hit enter. Okay, and then again type net start spooler and then hit enter. Now this service has been stopped, but now it's working again successfully, and then close it. Next method, check your printer. So if your printer really has been problems, so click to start, then click on setting. After that click on the Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner, scroll down. Okay, then select your printer and then click on troubleshoot. Like this is your printer, so scroll down and you can see. After that open the printer, which is, it's showing multiple printer, it's showing pending, so select all and then delete it. So all pending printer it's need to delete. Okay, and then close it. Then next, this is important for your printer and your system, disable startup app. So click to start and type task manager, then click on full screen. After that click on startup app, then this is startup app, no need to click open, it will run in the background. When your system will start, then automatically run in the background. Okay, so that is not required for your system. When you require the copilot, you just double click on the icon, after that it will run when you required. Okay, so no need to run in the background without your permission. So select this and disable. Then Microsoft Team, if you are using in every day, so that means you have to record someone is sent to message and calling you, so it will run automatic, otherwise you have to manually open it. Okay, phone link also same, if you require it's okay. Okay, and Xbox also. So close this automatic and startup app. Then very important, scan of malware via your Windows security applications. So click to start, type Windows security, then click on left hand side 3 lines, click on, after that click virus threat protections, then scan options. So guys, this is 4 type you can scan your system. So this is very deep and it will take some time, might be 10 to 15 minutes. So it will scan full offline scan. You can see time. When you click scan now, it will restart your system, and after that fully scan your system, your dial file, your Windows file. If get any malicious, so it will remove automatically. Otherwise you can custom remove also, custom scan also there. This is full scan also there. So you can see check all file, running program, all hard disk, and this could take longer time, 1 hour. Okay, this is quick, means slightly to scan. So select this and then click to scan now. After that it will restart your system and wait few seconds, and then need to check your issue. Okay, thank you.